Let us go for a little night cruise, shall we? Are you ready?
Yes, baby.
All right. I want sunbeams, but we'll see what happens. Never know. I always say it, but you just never know. So let's go. You guys, Apple just spotted this snake up here in this tree. I'm going to say this might be Pitayas corals. Yes, Pitayas corals. I don't know if we'll be able to get it. I can certainly pull this branch down. Oh, it's already coming to life here. Yeah, for sure that's corals. Okay, let us at least try. Let's see which way it goes here. Out of reach, and then into the thick part of that bamboo tree. Oh well, that is cool though. We've seen a bunch of those out here. Apple, good eye on that one, just sleeping totally off the ground, arboreal. So, give some of you guys at least a clue as to the habitat, arboreal tendencies, right? Off the ground. So that's pretty cool. I'm just happy to have seen that. All right, let us keep looking. Apple, eagle eyes on. Alright you guys, we road cruised to Tokay Gecko. Wow, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty. Green color.
If you didn't mind them in the house, I'd bring it to the house.
No, we don't.
Wow, that's cool.
That's a pretty one.
It's pink color.
And that is Malayan snail-eater. Same like that little baby, two-stripe on the nose. Do you see?
Yes.
I think that's that newly described one. I think in 2017, Malayan's Isan. That is so cool. What a cool night. Didn't find a lot of stuff, but man,
Put it back.
that's
Oh,
awesome.
there is a snail right here. Here, here's your food. Here, put the camera on. I want to show you something. Are you done with that? Or you
I'm still on, but yeah, what do we got?
It's just so cute, baby. Ready?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Oh,
That's so cute. That's mini Dan and Apple right here.
when we were younger. If you've ever wanted to know what a dragon fruit flower looks like, that is it. Myself, I have never seen this before. Apple says they only flower at night, is that right?
Yes.
Wow, that is really crazy. Who would have thought that a plant that looks like that has a huge flower that looks like that? That is crazy. I've never seen that before. Wow, pretty cool. Wow. I almost ran him over. That's how you do it. Alright, you guys. Apple was out here gardening. She found this little snake. I don't know what it is. It is super shiny. I cannot see the head. That's the tail. So the head is here. It looks like a baby sunbeam. Never seen one this small before. Yeah, it's a baby sunbeam. I just saw the little head neck band. Yeah, baby sunbeam, 100%. Wow, you guys, check that out. I have never seen one that young before. They have this little white neck band. That is so cool. Nice find, Apple. That is amazing. Wow. We're finding good stuff right here in our front yard.